Hello everyone, and welcome back. That should be it. Our rocks should finally be done. I'm going to run these outside and dump the slurry, bring them in and get them cleaned up and lay them out like we always do, and let them dry and see if they're all shiny or if they're dull. I wanted to address one question I get, or a comment about how this must be really loud in the house. You can't even hear it upstairs unless you're in the bathroom, which is right above us, and then you can barely hear it. It's like, what's that sound? You know, and you'll hear it. The camera seems to pick up the noise a lot louder than what it actually is. At least once you get upstairs, you just can't hear it. So let's get these cleaned up. I'm excited. They feel pretty smooth, but we won't know until we get them washed up if the batch turned out or not. Let me run outside, get these rinsed off, we'll get them washed up and we'll take a look. Alright, they're all out of the tumbler, washed up. Most of these are dry. We're going to give just a couple more minutes so they're all dry. And then I'm going to go through and look at these, because usually you'll have one or two rocks that just will not quite polish up like the rest of them. And I'm sure that's due to the type of rock it is, but I'll try to find which one it is in this batch. They all look pretty darn good though. Well, they're all dried now. And looking at them, this isn't the best light. We're going to take another look at these tomorrow when it's daylight out. The only one, this rock and this rock, are shiny, but not as shiny, and they're both the same kind of rock. They almost look like it has like a metallic to it. I don't think there's any way to show that. I won't know until I look on the actual video footage, but I don't know what kind of rock that is, but most of these are just beautiful. I mean, it's really weird because, like, I call them cool rocks, but I mean, like, this is just, there's not much to that rock right there, but look at how it turned out. It's just beautiful. This is that double color rock. This one here, this one with the blue or purple in it, that one didn't shine up as shiny as I thought it would either. I don't really know what that was. It almost looked like if you were to take a chunk off of a granite countertop or something. The quartz, that got real nice and shiny. A lot of people ask sometimes, how do I know what rocks to grab? If you're doing a first batch, everybody pretty much knows what a quartz is. Grab a bunch of quartz. You really can't screw those up. Run them through the steps, see how they turn out. Look at the lines in this one. I don't know if you can, that light probably ruins it for you, but this one here turned out real shiny on this side, but this is almost like tiger eye. It might even be a tiger eye. And they get shiny, but not quite the luster that you'll get out of, you know, this one right here. Wow, nice. Okay everyone, well like I said, we'll come back and take a look at this again tomorrow when we have daylight versus light bulb light. But this batch was definitely a success. Okay everyone, well thanks a lot for watching. I don't know that this light is any better than the light was last night, but those rocks look really nice. Let's take and pull them over into the sun here. I'd say that's a lot worse, but anyway, it's a nice batch of rocks. Much better. I will see you guys on the next video.